Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris Ashraf bin Haji Suhaib, and today I will be showing the code for assignment 3 for PYP. So this is the code, and this is when you run it. So we need to enter the path of the file. For our dataset, it is in here. So we right click and copy path, and then right click. Then it will show the operations. So the first operation will be to show the missing values in the dataset. So if we input one, then enter, and here, as you can see, that the dataset does not contain any missing values. And then the second function, which is duplicated values. Here we can also see that the dataset does not contain any duplicated values. And this function from get mean until get maximum. So when you click 3, it will print all the columns in the dataset and will ask the user to enter the name of the column. For example, it is only for numerical data. So for absences, here you can see that the mean in the column absences is 3.66 rounded off. Then for the standard deviation, G1 2.75, uh, minimum number for sex, which is the gender, is wait, no. I mean the age, yeah, the age. 15. And then the maximum for age is 22. And then after that is the descriptive analysis. Here you can see all the things from it shows only the numerical data, and here it is. So these two functions, which is univariate and bivariate analysis, is the main function that we use to create our graph. So if we input 8, then it will display these options. We have 5 here: bar graph, histogram, pie chart, box plot, and line chart. So if we choose bar graph, and then we choose age, here we can see the graph, which is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. This also aligns with the minimum and maximum value. And then if we do that again, and then histogram for G1, here you can see that G1 only is from 0 until about 18. Yeah. And then for pie chart, and then sex. Here we can see that in the dataset, 59% of all the students is female, while 41% are male. And then box plot for absences. Here we can see that this is the box plot for absences. Then for line chart for G1, this shows the line graph for the specific column. For the bivariate analysis, we have 3: line chart, box plot, and scatter. For the line chart, it's basically the same as the univariate analysis. However, the only difference is that the user must input two columns. For example, G1 and G3. So this is the graph. Then for the box plot, we have absences and then age. Here we can see that this is the graph, the box plot. And then the final one is the scatter. Scatter graph is mainly used to check the correlation between two variables. And if we look at 32 and G2 and G3, we can see that most of them are between here. So it is mostly correlated. And then this, if you click number 10, you have the option to change the dataset. For example, this is my friend's dataset. Then if I copy the path and then try to do here, we can see that the columns changes. Yeah. Then if we click 11, it will exit the program. So that is all for the codes, and